105. What is the effect on the amount of CaHPO4 that dissolves and the concentrations of Ca2+ and HPO4- when each of the following are added to a mixture of the solid CaHPO4 and water at equilibrium? Now, I do notice here that they put HPO4 as a negative charge. Technically, this should be a 2-. HPO4 is generally a 2-, so maybe I'll put that here. And in this case, we're adding KClO4. Now, if you want to find out where this equation came from, just go to 105A. That's where I write the equation out and I explain what's going on. But for this one, we're just going to go right into the question. What's going to happen when you add KClO4? Now, KClO4 has a group 1 ion, K+, right? All group 1 ions are always soluble, no exceptions. So this is a soluble salt, or a soluble ionic compound. So that means that it's going to break down into its two components. We have K+ and ClO4-. Okay, well, if I add KClO4, that means that I have added, or I've increased my concentrations of K+ and ClO4-. Now, how do we get into this equation? Well, hopefully, one of the ions match. But out of this equation, I don't see any K+ or ClO4-, right? So the next thing, and the only thing, is if it's an acid-base reaction that's happening. But KClO4 is a neutral salt, right? Because both ions come from strong bases and strong acids. K+ comes from KOH, that's a strong base. ClO4- comes from HClO4, which is a strong acid. And if you have two strong guys, the salt is neutral. So this can't make an acid-base reaction because it's not classified as an acid or a base. It's just neutral. So if that's the case, there's no way that I could get into this equation. So there's no reaction for all of these. And maybe I'll just put that here. No effect. No effect on all. And that's it. Let's just box this in. Add some nice little calming blue, a little happy blue. But anyway, that's the answer, guys. That's all I got for you. I really hope this is helping you out. Let me know in the comments. Have a great day and keep studying hard. I'm rooting for you. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.